here, Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes.
And if that sounds like a good idea to you, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, but most of all, you can help us out the most by sharing our recipes.
Yes.
Today, we have some keto seed crackers.
These are the best yet.
The best thing about these crackers, well, there's two best things. One is they stay crunchy, which has been a problem with keto crackers.
Yes.
They don't last over the night. But these, as long as you keep them in an airtight container, they will stay crunchy for, let's see, they lasted for 2 days
If they
before
can last
I ate them
3
all.
days or 2 days.
The second thing is they're very low carb because they're made from seeds and not nuts. So they have a very high nutritional value, but you can have 1/4 of this recipe for, what did I say?
About 2.5 carbs.
2.5 to 3 carbs. It's
Right.
amazing. So you want to show them?
Let's show them.
Okay. Okay, so the easiest thing to remember about this recipe is there's 1/3 of almost everything. We had 1/3 papita, 1/3 sunflower seeds.
Yes. Now 1/3 flax seeds. These are awesome, you guys. They're all super low in carbs. Now the chia seeds and the sesame seeds, it's like a half and half and a third of a cup.
we mixed them together. You can use any seeds you want to.
Right.
And these are just our favorite.
And even any extra seasonings you want to. We did everything with the bagel because we love it.
And it made the entire cracker. Then, of course, 1/3 cup of almond flour.
A tablespoon of psyllium husk. And now a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil.
And this water has to be hot because it makes the psyllium husk do its thing. So it will hold it together. Now, as soon as you add the water, you're going to think, oh my gosh, I've made a horrible mistake. That's what I did. And I went back and looked at the recipe 2 or 3 times and it said 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
But as you start to stir it, it forms this beautiful little ball.
Yes, and very quickly. So, I mean,
Yes,
even by the time that Christy probably went to check the recipe, it had formed.
So it takes about 3 minutes, I think. Just keep stirring it and let the psyllium husk do its thing.
And now you want these to be super thin. I know that you might think they're going to break, but this is key also.
And you want to roll it out about the size of your cookie sheet because when we take this top layer off, you're just going to grab that bottom sheet and slide it right on over onto the cookie sheet.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Isn't that gorgeous? And you can see about how thin they are, too.
Right. And there's no need to score it. Just pop them right in the oven.
Gorgeous. And these are so good. I've made like 4 batches and I just keep eating them. So we're going to bake them at 300 for 50 or 60 minutes. Key here, you have to completely let them cool before you start messing with them.
Which is why I am probably not trusted in the kitchen alone.
Kristen has lost cracker privileges. And so there they are, again, with guacamole.
So you guys, the thing that takes the longest with these crackers is the baking.
Or our talking.
Yeah, or our talking.
So now the taste test.
Yes.
I don't know if you can hear this crunch. No, you can't.
You can't hear it.
Probably not, because we forgot to hook up the mic.
Oh.
This great expensive mic we got, we keep forgetting to hook it up.
But yes, these are crunchy. The first time that Christy made them, I just remember thinking, I didn't expect this.
Let's taste. The best thing,
One of my favorite.
One of my favorite things about these also is you can use them for anything.
Yes.
Guacamole, salsa. We're using a dill and onion dip here.
Yes, we love this dip.
It's delicious. We'll post that later.
Yes, but you guys, these are not going to fall apart in a dip. So if you use it with guacamole, it's not like the butter crackers where they're flaky. These are crunchy.
These are scoopable.
Scoopable. Scoops.
You know what makes this? I'm becoming unclothed. What makes this?
We did not go to happy hour.
No. Might be a good idea though. Is the everything but the bagel seasoning.
Yes, it's key because it gives it this flavor. And one of the things I thought when I read the recipe was, oh my gosh, okay, I do love seeds, but I don't know if I want them as a chip. They're the perfect chip cracker.
Best yet.
Yes.
So we hope you try them. You guys
take pictures, be sure to take pictures. If you guys make loaded nachos like Chrissy did last night without giving me any, take pictures.
She was gone and there was just, I just had to eat them all. Thanks for watching.
Yes.
And we will see you next week.
Bye.
It does, but we'll say that during that talk through.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, he'll cut. Well, hold on, I've got to take a new bite.
I know.
I was like getting closer to my mouth and it's just like no stopping it.